Pork belly burnt ends. It's like meat candy. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell right next to it so you get all the alerts on what we're doing, okay? All right, here's the ingredients. We got our pork belly, we got our honey, little Stubb's barbecue sauce, a little of the blue fake butter, a little Martinelli's, and some Stubb's barbecue seasoning. All right, come on back and we'll put this in. We're going to be doing some pork belly meat candy. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put it on the Weber Kettle. I got some applewood chunks that we're gonna smoke with it. I got the coals burning right now. I've already chopped up this pork belly. I pulled the skin off. I got the skin sitting in some oil and salt. We're gonna put that on the grill too. Try to get a little chicharron with it. And then we're gonna smoke these pork belly pieces. They're about 2 inches by 2 inches. We're gonna smoke them for a good hour. And then we're gonna bring them in, dress them with the honey, the barbecue sauce, the apple juice, and the parquet. And cover them up and braise them for another couple hours out there. All right? So I already cut it up. You don't need to see me cut it. I'm gonna put the seasoning on it liberally and cover it up. Let's get it out on the grill. All right. See you in a minute. All right, we got some good coals going. Just threw a couple chunks of applewood on there. Let's get our pork bellies on this thing. All right, guys, we're back. We got the pork belly pieces off the Weber Kettle. I'm gonna go in about an hour and a half. Gotta get this barbecue sauce off. I'm gonna add some local honey. This is gonna be like meat candy by the time we're done. Oh yeah. You know it's good if you hear the noise. All right, little butter, or almost butter. Gonna add a little Stubb's sweet heat. All right, just a little bit. Don't need a lot in there. Maybe a little bit more. Get these all nice and caramelized. And of course, we're gonna put a little bit of apple juice in there. Just a little braising bit in there. At the max, that's half a cup. All right, got all the good flavors rolling around in there. Okay, we're gonna cover it up, get it back on the grill for another hour or two. Come on back, and we'll pull this off and taste test. Come on back. All right, guys, we took the tinfoil off. We're gonna let this caramelize, let all this evaporate, let all these juices evaporate, caramelize on the pork, and then probably get another hour and we're good to go. Come on back. All right, guys, the fruits of our labor are right here in front of me. This is a good 4-hour journey in the Weber Kettle. Okay, I put some rub on them. I got them smoked for an hour. I got them in the tin pan with the butter, the honey, and the barbecue sauce, a little apple juice. Covered it, took the cover off, let it go for a little bit longer, and this is the result. Pork belly burnt ends. I'm so excited to try these right now. So, I don't even know where to start. Oh yeah, pull a bit off. I might as well have that little piece too. Good Lord, that's good. That's good stuff. And you gotta lick all the fingers for this one. Sweet, savory, tender. It's like candy. So good.
you know it's good. I'm looking at you. You know it's good. And you too. You know it's good. Listen, thanks for coming on this journey with me. I appreciate you stopping by today. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.